All right, today we are going to make some sushi rolls. We're going to need some nori rolls, some short grain Japanese sushi rice, a little bit of fresh ahi tuna, cucumber, carrot, and avocado. We can always add a little bit of toasted sesame seeds. To add to the rice, we're going to need some rice vinegar, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of sugar. With all those things gathered, let's go ahead and make a tasty treat and play some delicious beats.
Tonight we roll. Tonight we're packing them tight. Short grain Japanese rice, fresh tuna, imitation crab, bit nice. Avocado too, make sure it's right. Cucumber just to build the height. Rolling sushi, we roll them just like you like, right? Oh, oh, just like you like. Press the rice on the nori, nice and thin, leave space at the top so we can connect it again. Press it down, pack it in tight, slice it up now. Spicy mayo, keep it light. Rolling sushi, we rolling.